Hi everyone. Every once in a while we get to design something that is intended to help you breathe a little bit deeper. Today I'm going to be showing you our new Rest and Renew self-care box. This box is designed to help you slow down, reflect, and really create something beautiful. So I'm going to show you what's inside. To me, this box is more than just stationery. It's kind of a reminder to come back to yourself. Every single item was chosen to create a calming and creative ritual, one that's going to help you unplug and express yourself, even if you only have a few minutes every day. This is also going to be a one-time limited edition box, so once it's sold out, we are not going to bring it back. I didn't realize how much I needed the items in this box until I opened it and started using it for about 15 minutes every day. I've seen a lot of self-care boxes out there in the market and they're kind of full of junk. And so I really wanted everything in this box to be created with a beautiful intention to help you get creative and really give yourself some true self-care. So let's see what's inside. The first item we have is a gold ink gel pen. This pen is so smooth flowing and it has a really shimmering gold ink, and it turns even the simplest doodle or journal entry into something that's really radiant. It's super subtle but really elegant, and it's perfect for adding a little bit of sparkle to your day. The next item we have in the self-care box is a stamp set with ink pad. These are a beautifully curated set of stamps, and what they're designed to do is to work seamlessly with your journal, and they include the ink pad, so it makes it really easy to add a little bit of decoration. It also includes the stamp block. The way this supports self-care is because stamping, it really encourages creativity without the pressure. It is meditative, tactile, and honestly a fun break from all the screens that we look at every day and the structure. It's really used to be a playful tool that kind of helps you reconnect with your creative self. And if you look at all these, they're designed to really promote habits and self-reflection and self-care. Next, we have the washi tape. We have 4 different rolls of washi tape. And each of these designs are carefully selected to kind of help reflect the lotus theme, the calming lotus theme that we're going for in this box. They have soft hues, simple patterns, and a lot of artistic touches. We also have some tape that includes a few prompts as well. It's perfect for layering or decorating or adding intention. It supports self-care because it's helping you create beauty in the margins of your life. So whether you're using washi tape to mark a special page, set intentions, or decorate freely, it's really a small act of mindful creativity that can kind of bring calm and delight to your notebook. Of course, every box we have the Lotus-inspired exclusive notebook. So this notebook is only going to be available in the self-care box. It's really, if you are a collector of journals like I am, it's definitely one to add to the collection. But it's a soft, calming design, and it kind of mirrors the peacefulness of the lotus flower. We, of course, have the ultra thick paper, which is perfect for journaling, sketching, or simply capturing your thoughts. And you're not going to have to worry about the bleed through. Honestly, for me, journaling is one of the most powerful tools for self-reflection. It allows you to process emotions, quiet your mind, and create clarity in the chaos. So having a beautiful, high-quality notebook really invites you, and it makes you want to kind of slow down and spend some time with yourself in your journal. Finally, we have the journaling prompt cards. Every single card has a prompt that is intended to encourage mindfulness, creativity, or even emotional release. So whether you're going to be using these to be writing, meditating, or honestly just taking a moment to breathe, these cards really offer a soft nudge inward. Sometimes it's really hard to know where to get started, and these prompts guide you towards your thoughts, your needs, your dreams. They really help you make space for yourself, one question at a time. This self-care box is really designed to help you come back to yourself, to pause and breathe and add a little creativity to your day-to-day. Everything inside this box was chosen with intention. This box launches April 9th and it is limited edition, so once it sells out, it's going to be gone for good. You can order at artjournal.com, and thank you all for creating with us.